Yedamase, Asante Kotoko boys. Reporting live from Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Club Yadi Ayo. 4 wins in a row for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In the match day 13, course of Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Famous victory. Monday night football. Kotoko versus Berekum Chelsea. Kotoko 1. Berekum Chelsea 0. Kotoko air climbe. Kotoko air climbe. Kotoko air climbe. In the game, the informed striker Deze Mukwala, so far Ononkwano, he has been involved in about 7 goals. Kotoko Ashe in the 4 wins in a row. Abe. No, 8 gra involved in 8 goals because why assist in Bini Adia. And no, ene was Ashe Bako at the run of play. Anka first half neighbor and a boss our first goal no ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So sa goal no eno kwa de gina ya Kotoko edinya the 3 maximum points. As I say no a movie Kotoko from 16th position ana Kotoko wono. They say Kotoko abenya 19 points. But position dey enche dance sign but points build up no and as I say Kotoko a jump pa and o check here they say points difference between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the league leader or that soro no enya there 2 matches kra no more than 2 matches a new 6 points. That's and Kotoko win na e buy no the significance of the win. And in the game Ogum deploy tactics bi ono a ekoye ma no in the past games I was say 3 back sa 3 back system no juma pa prove in the game biom utimi se Kotoko initially share league na se for no we won't say your first half performance no enye because your flanks need to be push, but this time around you switch call 3 back Kotoko bono 3 back no. Since then Kotoko first half performance no improvements improvement aba as I say you know at the rain Berekum Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In the second half Nkofo obviously no money abere person muteka into my game no koye a game of equal affairs, but in the first half Kotoko dominate here once again underscore say Kotoko year for House of Folk who say Kotoko will be chain House of Folk. Yes, Kotoko will be chain House of Folk has 16 points, Kotoko 19 points. And no and a Kotoko any House of Folk a Dura game I beba so match day 14 for Siada Baba Yara Sports Stadium. All eyes on Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Because I say I feel season year 10 in the over 4 wins in a row.